What's up? It's Mark, or Big Man 120, back here with another video, and this is for my audio files for car audio. So yeah, I went to Parts Express, Audio Components and Solutions, and yes, I got some speakers here because they are, and this is not a sponsored video or nothing. Let's just get that out the way. They're not paying me to do nothing. Not paying me to put this on the internet. Like I say in most of my videos, I just want to help out people. And if it benefits me, it should benefit you. So, yeah, I got some speakers here from Parts Express. I'm going to go ahead and cut them open here and let's see what I got here. By the way, my car is a Ford Explorer. It is a 2012. And we all know how the sound is in those things. So we always try to upgrade them. And I got a couple videos on here about my DSP, my DSR1 and everything. But I just, an ongoing quest for the best sound. Us as audiophiles here, we want the best. We want to sound the best. We also want to save a little bit of money. That's just me. So could be you too. But let's see what we got. So we'll go ahead and cut this box open. All right, here we go. This is what I got here. Got some Dayton Audio speakers, 6.5-inch woofers, the Classic series. These are the DC160s. They are the 4 ohm, so that's what it says, DC160-4 for 4 ohm. If it was 8 ohm, it'd be DC160-8. Okay, so I'll clear that up. And got 2 of them. Yeah, both my doors in the front of my car. Of course, I got adapters that hold 6.5-inch woofer because they're, if you guys ever open your door, there's a 6x9 in there. So let's go ahead and open these up. Now, let's see if they got any specs or anything on this box. It's nothing. It's just a straight up box right there. That's crazy. Well, I do got the website on the side here, so let me tell you about it. So it says the highlights. It is a sturdy, easy to countersink round steel frame. Okay. It's a 4 ohm impedance like we were talking about earlier. It's a coated paper cone, provides smooth response and reduced cone breakup. So I guess it'll maybe hold up to the elements. I was kind of worried about that. Okay. It's aluminum voice coil. It has a vented pole piece for high power handling, so it'll get rid of some of the heat as you're heating it up through that little hole. Alright. Then we got a large diameter flat spider. It's good for X-Max and clean bass. That's what it says here. And it's suitable for vented or sealed enclosures. So I'm figuring with my free air space in my door, this should handle well, and I shouldn't bottom out in the woofer. So that's all in another video. Definitely had the video up of the install and everything and how it all went down and how they sound. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's take a look at these woofers here. I'm gonna wait a few days. I mean, it's been snowing out. I can't get out to do anything to my speakers right now, but that is all you get in the box. Can you believe that? There is nothing on here. I mean, it's everything now. You got to go to the internet to get all your instructions, all your stuff like that. That's probably what I'm going to do. So, but here we go. That's the Classic here. And these are going to be identical, so I'm not going to open the other one for you or nothing like that. Just pretend there's 2 of them here if you want to see 2. Alright, let's take a look at the speaker here. So, like I say, it's got that coated cone. Man. By the way, the price of these are $25.98. I was able to pick them up on Amazon. Of course, they just go to Parts Express for you and pretty much order it for you. But I only did that because if I didn't like them, I could take them back easily. Because Amazon, they don't give you anything. They don't give you any shit for, if you didn't like this, you can just take it back. But there it goes. Dayton Audio, DC160, 4 ohm impedance, made in Taiwan. So yeah, it should be all right. Let's go ahead and take a look at that spider under there. Let's see if we can get any. I'll take a look at that spider. I can tell right now it is an easy flexor. And what I mean by that, like they say, the excursion and everything that you're going to get out of this. I mean, it's not going to be really long, which I like because I was worried about it's going to be hitting the door grill and everything like that. But it should be pretty far away when it gets mounted. It'll be in the side like that. But, you know, I didn't want my speaker to be going out so much that it's going to be hitting the grill. So I don't think that's not going to happen. This cone, oh man, this cone is just really flexy. I know it's a paper cone, it's coated and it's paper, but oh man, it just really gotta, it just flexes a little bit. The rubber surround right here is really soft. It's really soft, and through my experiences, when it's soft like that, it means it's gonna bump. You know, just because it's not rigid, and it's, you know, with rigid foam surrounds, you know, or rubber surrounds right here, tends to stiffen up everything. It doesn't make it sound good. That's just me. I could be wrong, could be right. I don't know. I'm not perfect. They do put a little bit of foam around the edge right there, so I don't get any vibrations. You're putting this in a wooden closure or plastic closure or door like I'm doing. Okay, paper at the bottom right there. All right, then we got that you know, that little elongated area right there for the voice coil, so it doesn't bottom out so early. Because, you know, I've you've seen some speakers back in the day where this thing is just flat, and the speaker just hits the bottom of the magnet, and there you go, messing up voice coils. But it's got a little bit of extension right there. There goes that vent they were talking about. That's going to cool everything down. Seems pretty good. And what I'm thinking, you know, it's gonna mount up pretty good. Now in my next video, I'm going to show you what the Alpines I got that are they're pretty good, but I'm taking those out and replacing with this. This is going to be for my mid-range, and, you know, of course going to pair it up with a tweeter, and it's gonna, I think it's gonna bang. It's gonna sound really good. Let's see what's going on. I just want to check out everything about these here. The tinsels right there, they look kind of, I don't think they're gonna slap the speaker or anything like that, so I think that's pretty good. Because it was $25, it's pretty cheap. And this looks pretty cheap. As far as power handling, I gotta look that one up. Let's see. I'm gonna pull up some specifications here on this website next to me here, and let's see. Power handling, 60 watts RMS, and I think 100 watts maximum. So that is at 4 ohms. Okay, and the frequency response is going to be 30 hertz to 4,000. So this is not a full range speaker. Okay, let's just clear that up. Not a full range speaker. You got to usually do some kind of crossover with a tweeter or another smaller mid range and a tweeter. You got to, if you're going to try to get full sound out of this thing. This thing is to help out. It's a help out speaker. All right. Okay, and they got, I think that is pretty much it. Now, if you want to get real technical, not be real. I say I'm an audiophile, but I'm not a total audiophile. But if you want to get to some of those specs here, let's make it easier. Let's go ahead and put the screen in front. All right. So you can pause right here and look at that if you want to. Okay. So it's got RE 3.4 ohms, LE 0.99 mH at 1 kilohertz, FS 39 hertz, Q, you know, all that stuff that I don't know about, except for X-Max being 3.4 millimeters. That's what I know about. The SPL, it's a little on the low side, but like I said, it's a mid-range speaker, and it goes to power handling again. Okay. Now I read somewhere else that it can do up to 100 at the maximum, but I wouldn't try it. Just I'm going to run this comfortably at about 50 watts, 55 watts maybe, and that's what I'm going to do with it. Plus I'll have it crossed over anyway, so that might give me a little bit more, you know, wiggle room in the watts department. So there you go. And that's pretty much it though. I'm liking what I'm seeing here so far. As far as the mounting there, we got 4 holes. I wish I had like 8, you know, some up here, some at the bottom, and so on. So, but 4 is good enough, you know. Here, there, and there. All right. Hope this is helping people out. See if they want to purchase this thing. As far as recommendations, Dayton Audio makes a good speaker. I've had a home theater subwoofer for years running off of that. It just, they just make really good speakers, and this will maybe go with this because, like I said, the Alpines I put in my car, those are $150 speakers. They're component set. This is a $25 speaker. I mean, it'll probably do better, but we'll see. Go ahead. You know, I'm not one to ask for subscribers or anything though, but if you want to see the install of this woofer, you gotta subscribe. You gotta hit the bell. When it comes up, you'll get notified. All that good stuff. And I guess we'll put this one in. Like I said, you want to see the install here? Subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll be back and show you taking out my Alpines and putting these in and a little sound test. Alright, thanks for watching, and see you later.